Construction technologies have come a long way since the early days of mankind and continue to evolve at an ever-accelerating pace. From the pyramids of ancient Egypt to modern-day skyscrapers, the art and science of building has been a reflection of human ingenuity and creativity. Innovative construction technologies today are not merely about efficiency and functionality, but also about sustainability, safety, and beauty. They represent a new level of thinking and imagination, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and inspiring us to dream bigger and bolder. Here are some of the most innovative construction gadgets and ideas that are on another level. Nudura insulated concrete forms. Insulated concrete forms are an upgrade to wood constructions. The insulated concrete forms provide better resistance against disasters, are more reliable, and also reduce energy costs. Nudura ICFs have a fire protection rating. The expanded polystyrene can resist fire for 4 hours. The wind resistance is around an astonishing 400 km per hour. The concrete cores supported by reinforced steel are available from 4 inches to 12 inches, which provide a lot of protection as compared to wood. The concrete forms are designed to elevate the climate inside the buildings. Construction companies also use ICFs to get the maximum results. Using ICFs in buildings and construction projects will yield greater results as compared to wood. The applications of ICFs are far more advantageous and cost-saving when compared to wood. DFAB digital fabrication. Casting concrete structures using digital fabrication is not a new convention in the construction industry. Bespoke prefabrication is used to produce highly customizable digitally designed building processes. Prefabrication using DFAB's technology and equipment produces high-quality equipment and eliminates a large amount of waste. There are several challenges such as developing the ideal tools for facilitating the design and fabrication. Such challenges are met efficiently by DFAB. Prefabrication allows moldless shaping of the concrete elements. High-performing 3D printing gives the best results. The time required to cast a concrete element approximately 3 meters long was 4 hours. This technology is ideal for the future to meet the modern standards and needs of construction projects. 𝗕𝗂𝗃 working drone. The evolution of window and facade cleaning has led to the production of this modern product. No need to hire experts for cleaning windows at high altitudes. High-altitude windows are dangerous to clean as there is always a risks involved at heights. The 𝗕𝗃𝗃 working drone performs all the cleaning itself and does it 5 to 10 times faster than any other conventional cleaning method. It is a drone that cleans, but it can also access tight corners and areas that are harder to reach. A drone can fly anywhere, unlike a human hand or cleaning wipe. No equipment is required to lift, just fly the drone and clean the windows. This is a contactless solution to window cleaning at high altitudes. Not only for windows, but the 𝗕𝗃𝗃 drone can also clean a lot of other things that are at higher altitudes and are not easily accessible. Solar panels can also be cleaned without damaging the plates. The drone rises easily to 600 meters and above to clean. The spray paint cleaning technique is used to clean windows and other equipment. 𝗕𝗃𝗃 plans to work on remote control centers where different drone operators can sit together and operate the drones. Buy block. This might be just one of the most revolutionary ideas ever to deal with plastic waste. Buy blocks are made from recycled waste plastic, and these blocks are useful in construction. In certain aspects, they do better than concrete blocks. These blocks don't require any adhesives to stick together. These blocks don't crack or break like concrete blocks. There is no waste in manufacturing of buy blocks. 1 ton of waste is 1 ton of buy blocks. The CO2 emissions are also approximately 80% less than with the concrete blocks. No special labor is required for installation. They call it a game-changing element. The treated blocks are entirely usable. They don't contain the pungent smell of waste or any other characteristic of waste rubbish. The usage scenarios include sound walls, fencing, furniture, and sheds. A multi-purpose invention that benefits you and the earth simultaneously by reducing waste. 𝗚CME automatic plastering pump. This robot will save you a lot of time as it can perform the work of 8 people at once. This automatic plaster pump ensures the perfect mixing of plaster mixture. It is a reliable system that consists of a feed wheel, continuous dosing of water, a compressor, and a screw pump that works smoothly to provide excellent quality of mixed plaster. This robot delivers the mixed plaster continuously onto a specific point. The distribution of plaster is even and uniform. If you pre-mix any type of plaster with this machine, the machine is variable enough to deal with it efficiently. This is because it can be used with different pumps. You can easily apply and level the plaster mixture on a wall using this automatic pump. It reduces labor and is accurate enough to be used for commercial applications. Dragon Screed. Pouring concrete efficiently requires a lot of hard work and labor. Dragon screed reduces the load of labor by almost 50%. The screed promotes the uniform distribution of concrete and also gives a head start in terms of finishing. The vibrating floats bring the cream to the top as they follow the screed bar. The floats are available in 3-inch, 4-inch, and 5-inch sizes that allow you to select a width that suits your particular project requirement. The vibration system in the screed pad and the floaters can be controlled wirelessly. There are 5 levels of vibration. The lengths of the screed bars are customizable. The default widths are 6-inch, 10-inch, 15-inch, and 20-inch. However, the 1-inch, 2-inch, and 4-inch extensions can be attached to either one or both ends of the screed bar, depending on your application's requirement. 4 to 8 inches depth is easily accessible for the gravel grader. Deeper depths can also be requested if the application requires them. The radius pivot is a game changer for round boring jobs like swimming pools. It saves so much time and the result is also precise. It also supports the reverse operation and the screed bar is adjustable. SteelMaster Building Kits. Find the answer to all your metallic construction needs under one roof. SteelMaster makes any type of metallic building kit depending on your application. The range consists of 6 template models, which are A, S, Q, X, C, and R models. Each model is perfect for a specific task. For example, the A model is a combination of space and usability while having a traditional look. The usual width of a SteelMaster construction ranges from 10 feet to 60 feet, however, they have the manpower and the equipment to design a custom building up to 150 feet. Once you've chosen a model, it is time to add the utilities required. You can add insulations, lights, doors, vents, window frames, and end walls. You basically have control over everything in the construction. SteelMaster is reliable for building the residential and commercial huts such as warehouses, garages, sheds, and houses. Quick selection and efficient working make SteelMaster a reliable source for metallic huts. Insole foam. Insulation for residential and commercial buildings is a critical part of the construction. Insole foam acts as an insulator that protects against harsh climatic conditions. Insole foam GF is a geofilm material that is also used in filling and soil stabilization. The biggest plus point of insole foam GF is that it is lightweight. The weight of insole foam GF is 10% less than other alternative filling materials. When used, it doesn't burden the soil. This guarantees long-term durability and service as compared to other filling materials used for insulation. Insulation is an important part of the construction of commercial and residential buildings. Insole foam takes care of every insulation ranging from ceiling to the floor. Wall and roof insulation are the most common types of insulation applications. Below-grade insulation is also beneficial for the long-lasting life of the structure and also reduces environmental hazards. 𝗏𝗏, the universal standard equipment for retaining, storing, and infiltrating the runoffs caused by stormwater. 𝗏𝗏 has really made a huge leap in managing stormwater. For countries where the natural landscape is taken up by construction, rainfall and storms can damage the water cycle as the storm water is not retained or allowed to discharge somewhere. 𝗏𝗏 aims to return the storm water to the storage areas and to keep a balanced water cycle. The stacking ability allows one to set up the equipment in tight spaces without any loss of functionality. Managing stormwater requires a fine amount of coordination, skill, and brainstorming. The applications include controlled discharge, detention, retention, and infiltration of the storm water. They have the equipment for all these applications and their equipment is eco-friendly. The inspection tunnels are designed in such a way as they give the view of whole interior instead of the inspection tunnels only. 𝗂𝗂𝗽𝗂 While keeping the natural drainage flowing, build comfortable and rigid driveways and car parks. Create the perfect gravel permeable driveways thanks to the perforated base of GeoGravel. The perforation is done at a micro level, which ensures that there is no discomfort. There are many benefits of using GeoGravel. Using GeoGravel doesn't require additional costs for maintenance, as it doesn't require any maintenance once installed. Durable and reliable, featuring a resistance of up to 400 ton per square meter. It also watches over your health by providing durability against microorganisms and UV rays. Make the passing of vehicles easy and comfortable using GeoGravel. The clip-on connection makes it so easy to install without any complications. No puddles of water are formed even after rains, as the drainage system of the GeoGravel is excellent. GenBricks Mechanical Brick Slip Cladding. This is a dream work of art for people who are obsessed with clay brick finishes. The brick finishes look very well most of the time. There are some surfaces where applying the bricks directly to the surface may not be the ideal thing to do. GenBricks has found the perfect solution for this problem. Gen Bricks provides a natural-looking excellent brick finish by applying the clay brick tiles onto an aluminum rail. The clay bricks are extruded precisely to fix onto the rail mechanically. The wall here becomes the aluminum rail and the clay tiles are extruded to precision, making sure that the clay bricks fix perfectly before mortar is applied. It saves time as it is very easy to use and also easy to use in areas where space is a concern. Select your favorite design from the standard, heritage, and mortar ranges. Light cast home beams. Light cast home beams are available in 150 and 225 millimeters. The 125mm beams are the lightest beams on the market. They are so easy to install due to their weight and are a great alternative to timber on first floors. For tougher applications, the 225mm beams are extremely durable and have a much longer life than the 125mm beams. The beams are precisely cut in common 25mm increments that provide a perfect size for efficient installation. As soon as you place the beams and blocks, the floor is ready for use. You don't have to wait for the floor to settle down and become rigid. The beams do not rot or catch fire. The beams have been tested in adverse weather conditions and work perfectly in all sorts of weather conditions. The beams are durable and versatile. You can use them for residential and commercial purpose as well. The beams also support the penetration of service pipes during installation. If you liked the video, check out this video, Insane Road Construction Technologies that are on another level.